In this brief instructional guide, you will acquire the knowledge necessary to restore a Chromebook to its factory settings, effectively addressing potential errors, glitches, and software-related issues. Start the process by powering on the Chromebook and patiently awaiting the appearance of the login screen. Next, simultaneously depress the escape, reset, and power keys for a duration of 3 seconds, releasing them promptly. This action will initiate a system restart and lead you to the recovery screen. At this point, press the Control key and the letter D at the same time on the keyboard. Upon receiving the appropriate prompt, proceed by pressing the Enter key and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted to select a Wi-Fi connection, be sure to opt for a public Wi-Fi choice and proceed by clicking Next. Continue to navigate through the subsequent steps until you once again encounter the login screen. Subsequently, you may opt either close the Chromebook or sign in to start using the freshly reset device. The Chromebook will switch to the ChromeNet Wi-Fi automatically. In the event that you encounter any difficulties during the Chromebook reset process, please do not hesitate to seek assistance from Noel, your IT technician, or your tech support department. Thank you.